Approach definition, approach in a sentence, approach pronunciation, approach meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of approach. Approach. A-approach. Approach. Approach means to come closer in distance, in time, or abstractly. Common usages in academic writing: approach the problem, approach infinity, approach with caution. Example sentence: approach, verb. The lion approached the antelope from the west under the glare of the setting sun. The common academic writing variation is approaching, adjective. The koala population in Australia is approaching that of many endangered species. Please write a sentence using approach in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use approach confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.